Fix 1. Charge the iPhone. Sometimes, the issue of iPhone keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off is simply due to a very low battery charge or a power system malfunction. The system requires a certain amount of power to boot up, and if the battery supply is unstable at this time, the device may get stuck on the Apple logo screen and shut down. Try charging the device with an original or MFI certified charger for at least 30 minutes to see if it continues to shut down or display the Apple logo. If there is still no response, proceed with the following methods. Fix 2. Force restart the iPhone. iPhone 8 and later models. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. iPhone 6 and earlier models. Press and hold the home button and the power button simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. Fix 3. Put the iPhone into recovery mode. However, this process will erase all data on the iPhone, so proceed with caution if you don't have a backup. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to your computer and open iTunes, Windows, macOS Mojave and earlier or Finder macOS Catalina and later. Step 2. Follow the steps for your iPhone model to enter recovery mode similar to a forced restart, but keep holding the buttons. Step 3. A prompt will appear on your computer asking whether you want to update or restore the device. Step 4. Click the Restore button to begin the restoration process. Fix 4. Put iPhone into DFU mode. If recovery mode doesn't resolve the issue, you can try using DFU Mode device firmware upgrade mode for a deeper repair. This method will also erase all data on the device. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and make sure you have the latest version of iTunes installed. Step 2. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. After that, press and hold both the side and volume down buttons. After 5 seconds, release the side button while continuing to hold the volume down button until iTunes detects your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the side and volume down buttons at the same time. After 8 seconds, release the side button while continuing to hold the volume down button. For iPhone 6 and earlier, press and hold both the home and side buttons at the same time. After 8 seconds, release the side button while continuing to hold the home button. Step 3. Once in DFU mode, click OK and then select Restore iPhone. Fix 5. Using iOS system recovery. If you prefer not to deal with the hassle of recovery mode or DFU mode and want to avoid data loss, you can choose iOS system recovery. Step 1. Install the program on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Then, click iOS system recovery on the interface to proceed. Step 2. The program will automatically detect the issue with your iPhone and display it on the screen. Click the Start button to move to the next step. Step 3. Review the device information displayed on the interface. If any details are incorrect, select the correct information from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Repair button to instantly fix. My iPhone keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off. Fix 6. Contact Apple support. If you find that your iPhone keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off due to water damage, or your iPhone keeps showing the Apple logo and turning off while charging, and the methods above still don't resolve the issue, it's likely a hardware problem. In this case, it's recommended to contact Apple support for assistance.